Hello everyone, it's story time once again with Manjeet. And this story is about wishes. Yes, you heard that right. Wishes. Wishes as in not the good morning wish or the good night wish, but wishes such as feelings. Wishes are actually feelings that live deep inside our hearts. So one day, there were so many happy people out for a picnic. Well, there was Auntie Rose, Auntie Neelam, Uncle Joseph, Uncle Surya. And then there was little Annie, Shweta, Rahul, Zoya and Rocky. So since they were on a picnic, they started playing a game. Everyone had to speak about a wish. For example, my wish. I wish I was a bird so that I could fly in the air and not wait for an aeroplane for a ride. Okay, so the game started with children speaking their wishes. Little Annie was the first one to go. I wish I was all grown up and I could go to office like mummy and papa and grandma and so many aunties and uncles that I know. Wow, nice wish. Rahul was the next one. I wish I was a big boy so that I could become the Prime Minister of India like Mr. Modi and go on television and have everyone listening to me. Boy, that's cool. Wow, great wish. Next one to go was Zoya. Zoya wished that she was a superhero like Spider-Man, Iron Man, Thor, or even Captain America. Well, then I would be on TV and I would have everyone looking at me and taking my autographs. Rocky was the next one. I wish I was all grown up so that I could make a new metro train that could just fly through just like an aeroplane. It wouldn't go on the tracks. This metro train which I will make, I'm going to make one that flies. Wow, great one. So Shweta was left and she was very clear about her wish. I wish I could grow up and make one machine, that could just brush my teeth and give me a bath when I was still sleeping. So that when I woke up, I would be all dressed up like this. Great one. So now the children had spoken and it was turn of mamas and papas to speak out their wishes. So Auntie Rose was the first one to speak up. I wish I could run like Zoya whole day long, up and down, left and right, and never get tired. Uncle Joseph said, I wish I could just go back to school, sit on the last seat in the class, eat my tiffin, and wait for mummy to come and pick me up. Auntie Neelam said, I wish I was like little Surya so that I could cuddle up with my mom at night and have her read to me so many stories. And when summer vacation comes, I could go and meet all my cousins. So next was, Uncle Surya to go. And he said, I wish I was 5 years old so that I could fit in my grandmother's lap and climb up the mango tree in my village and pluck some mangoes and run away as fast as I could. The driver was listening to all this game and he just turned around and said, May all your wishes come true. everyone had a good laugh. So there you see, children, wishes are feelings from the heart. And as long as you don't hurt anyone, you can wish for anything, especially in front of your mummy and papa and grandparents. And did you see some funny parts? All the children wished that they were grown up, and all the mummies and daddies, they wished that they were a child all over again. So why don't you all do one thing? All you wonderful children, close your eyes and make a wonderful happy wish. So God bless you all, and I'm going to sign off by saying, may all your wishes come true. See you soon.